Welcome to my channel Modern Tech Insights. Common SEO mistakes that hurt your Google ranking. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for increasing visibility and driving traffic to your website. However, many businesses make common mistakes that can actually hurt their Google ranking. In this article, we will discuss some of these mistakes and provide tips on how to avoid them. What are the most common SEO mistakes? Neglecting keyword research. One of the most common SEO mistakes is failing to conduct proper keyword research. Keywords are the foundation of SEO, and choosing the right ones can make or break your website's visibility. Make sure to use tools like Google Keyword Planner to research relevant keywords for your industry. Ignoring on-page optimization. Another common mistake is neglecting on-page optimization. This includes optimizing meta titles and descriptions, headers, and image alt text. Make sure to include your target keywords in these areas to improve your website's search engine ranking. Not optimizing for mobile. With the increasing number of users accessing websites on mobile devices, it is essential to have a mobile-friendly website. Google considers mobile friendliness as a ranking factor, so make sure your site is responsive and easy to navigate on all devices. Lack of quality content. Content is king in the world of SEO. If your website lacks quality, relevant content, it will be difficult to rank well in search engine results. Make sure to regularly update your website with fresh, engaging content that is optimized for your target keywords. Neglecting social media optimization. Social media optimization, SMO, plays a significant role in SEO. By sharing your content on social media platforms and engaging with your audience, you can increase brand awareness and drive traffic to your website. Make sure to include social sharing buttons on your website and encourage visitors to share your content. How to avoid these common SEO mistakes? Conduct thorough keyword research. Take the time to research relevant keywords for your industry and target audience. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to identify high-volume keywords with low competition. Optimize your on-page elements. Make sure to optimize your meta titles, descriptions, headers, and image alt text with your target keywords. This will help search engines understand the content of your website and improve your ranking. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Test your website on different devices to ensure it is responsive and easy to navigate on mobile. Consider implementing a responsive design or mobile version of your site to improve the user experience. Create quality, engaging content. Invest in creating high-quality, engaging content that is optimized for your target keywords. Regularly update your website with fresh content to keep visitors engaged and improve your search engine ranking. Utilize social media for promotion. Share your content on social media platforms and engage with your audience to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to your website. Encourage visitors to share your content by including social sharing buttons on your site. In conclusion, avoiding common SEO mistakes can help improve your Google ranking and drive more traffic to your website. By conducting thorough keyword research, optimizing your on-page elements, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly, creating quality content, and utilizing social media for promotion, you can set your website up for success in the world of SEO. Don't let these common mistakes hold you back from reaching your full potential online.